Hello everyone, welcome back to the Light of Law with Rakesh channel. In this video, I am going to explain Section 17 of the SARFAESI Act, a lifesaver for borrowers facing unfair treatment by banks or financial institutions. Many people don't know that banks cannot just seize and sell their property without following strict legal procedures. Section 17 empowers borrowers to challenge such actions through the Debt Recovery Tribunal DRT. So, if you or someone you know is facing loan recovery issues, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. What is SARFAESI Act? Before we dive into Section 17, let's understand the SARFAESI Act. It stands for Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. It was introduced to help banks and financial institutions recover loans quickly without going through lengthy court battles. Under this law, banks can take possession of secured assets like houses, land, vehicles, sell these assets to recover the unpaid loan amount. But, and this is very important, they must follow strict procedures. That's where Section 17 comes in. It ensures that borrowers are not treated unfairly and gives them the right to file a case when banks misuse their powers. Why Section 17 is important? Let's see why Section 17 is a borrower shield. Imagine this. You took a home loan and due to medical emergencies or business loss, you could not make payments on time. The bank sends notices and finally tries to seize your house. What if they skip notices, inflate dues, or sell your property at an unfair price? Section 17 allows you to approach the Debt Recovery Tribunal, a specialized legal body, and challenge these wrongful actions. So, it is not just about delaying the recovery process, it is about ensuring fairness and protecting families from losing their homes unjustly. Who can file under Section 17? Now you may ask, who can file under this section? Borrowers facing recovery proceedings, co-borrowers affected by the same loan, guarantors whose property or assets are at risk. You can file under Section 17 if the bank did not send proper notice before possession, the sale is being conducted unfairly or at an undervalued price, the claim amount is inflated or incorrect, the bank did not follow legal procedures during possession or sale. How to file? Documents you need. Filing under Section 17 requires proper documentation. You will need loan agreement copy, bank notices related to default, possession or sale, proof of ownership or guarantor details, payment receipts or correspondence, an affidavit explaining why you believe the action is illegal or unfair. Important tip: always consult an advocate before submitting your application. missing or incorrect documents can delay the process. Time limit, act fast. This is a critical point. You must file the application within 45 days from the date you receive the bank's notice or become aware of the possession or sale action. If you delay, you may lose your right to challenge the action. Filing early gives you time to present your case and may even stop the bank's action temporarily. So, don't wait until it is too late. As soon as you get notice, collect documents and file immediately. What happens after you file? Once you file under Section 17, the tribunal will review your documents, ask the bank to explain its actions, verify whether the bank followed the correct procedure. The tribunal has power to allow the bank's action if everything is correct, stay the possession or sale temporarily or permanently, direct the bank to follow proper procedure, order compensation if the bank acted unlawfully. Practical example, real life case. Let's look at a real world example. Mr. Rakesh took a home loan due to unexpected medical expenses. He missed payments. The bank sent a notice but failed to follow procedure and took possession of his home without giving him a chance to respond. Rakesh filed under Section 17 with proof that the notice was invalid and the procedure was flawed. The tribunal reviewed his case and stayed the possession, giving him more time to settle the issue. This shows how Section 17 can literally save families from losing their homes. Important tips before filing. Here are some quick tips before you file. File within 45 days. Don't delay. Keep copies of all documents, receipts, notices, agreements. Consult an advocate for drafting the application. Use Section 17 to protect your rights. Don't be afraid to stand up. Stay organized. This will make your case stronger. So, always remember, Section 17 is your right and your protection. It gives you the strength to challenge unfair actions and safeguard your home and your future. Stay informed, stay strong, and stand up for your rights. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Light of Law with Rakesh for more useful topics. Thank you.